Hey, hi all, and today we are going to and create a one lighthouse. Everyone know that lighthouse, but today we are going to create a lighthouse in Blender. Okay, so let's get started. Now I delete this one and I delete this one also and this one. And now I add one small image for the reference purpose. You click it on reference and go to that where is your reference image. Um, yes, here it is. You can observe this. This is the cross. So now we are going to the properties panel. Then I change the direction to 0 degrees and 0 degrees. So it is in flatted. So now I give the X direction to 90 degrees. So it will come look like this. So okay. So now I take this position to up. Okay. So the direction is the upward direction. So yes. So if you want to check this one, then top position and back position and right position, and it is look like the right view, left view, top view, back view. So left view. This is at the exactly center of the line. This is the top view, exactly top, exactly right, exactly back. So why we wait? Let's get started. Now we are going to and take this is the reference image, but it is move because of that when I select this thing, it is move. So now I lost this position. So that's why I'm going to relate it and collection, interface, motion path, and visibility. Yes. Coming to the visibility part, then click on the selectable and viewport and render. Until this means it is not a selectable. Now it is not select. Now it is not in render view. Okay, so now you got the point. So coming to the point. So now I add another cube. So this is related to the not a cube. This is related to a cylinder. So that's why I take a cylinder, not a cube. Okay, guys? Okay. So this is related to cube. So now I move the cube with pressing the G button. It is moved all directions. But now I want the upward. So the Z position is moving to upward direction. So now you look at this. Okay? Yes. Now it is over the part of. So now I'm pressing to G and W, then it is exactly to the position. Little bit we are. So don't worry about the small position. It is fine. Okay. Now I'm going to do this to scale to the top to bottom. So now I press the S for scaling. Okay? Yes. But how can I scale this position? So now I don't want this type of stuff. So now I can move the top. So the position is Z. So look at this. Yes. This is the top of the lighthouse. Okay, now I again move to this position to Z and it is exactly till to the top of lighthouse. So this is filling and cover the lighthouse image. So how can I draw and how can I create this thing? So now we are going to wireframe mode. So now you can check it once again. So yes, this is fine and perfectly. It is good. So you can observe this. This is very good position. So why we wait? Then decrease some amount of that position. Okay. Then pressing G and come down exactly at that point. Okay, let's go to change that mode to edit mode. So now you can easily select at every corner point and every wireframe and center and select the object easily and move these with these tools. With these tools, you can easily control and extrude and something you can do create a lot of things and awesome creations and awesome designs. Okay? Yes. Let's get started. So yeah, now the cube is with the cylinder. So now I don't want this type. So now I want a wireframe. Because of that, now I adjust this. Look at this. The cylinder is big and more than the lighthouse. So now I select this because this is the faces, not this. Okay, so now I select this and press yes and scale to the position like x-axis. Yes, it comes like this. Now you can see that the lighthouse is here, but my point is here. So now I move to the position. So where can I move that? So the position is decreasing. So now I change the position to pressing G and pressing Z and yes, yes. Because of that, the point of view is changed. Yes. So now I can go to the front view. Okay. Yes. This is the correct position of front view. So now I again pressing G and come down to that point. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now let's extrude pressing S and pressing Z. Select S means scale in Z direction. Okay, now I select this one. Now I select this and press G and with X direction. So now I move like this. Okay. Yes. 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 Perfect. Okay. Yes. But coming to the top of point, it is also there. So now I'm going to decrease the size of this and pressing S in X direction. I decrease this size like this. So now I pressing yes in Z direction. Yeah. Okay. Now now the position and point of view is changed. You can observe this. Yes. But now I again coming to the front view. So just press the number keypad. The number is 7. Okay. Now it is coming to the front view. Okay. Okay. And now I'm going to decrease these all points. Press G and press X direction like this. G and X like this. Yes, G and X like this. Again, press G and X like this. Press G and X like this. Yes. Now we got like this. So now I press Control R to subdivisions of this. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now you can observe it. This is the top of that. This is the another one. So now I scale this. Not in X direction, in Z direction. In scale in Y direction. It is not work. It is not work or work. Now you can tell that. Yes, it is work. Yes, it is work. But we cannot understand. So wait a second. I will tell you. Okay, let's come into the surface part with this. Okay, now I select this one and press E button and press in Z direction. I can increase like this. But this thing is in the cross view. Because of that, I don't know in the front view. I'm not seeing the front direction. So now I can go to that front view. It is, now you can see that this is in the cross. This is not the perfect. So now I'm going to the correct way. So now I press Ctrl Z. Yes. Coming to the front view, like press 7. Yes. Now you can select this one. This one, extrude in Z direction. Press and hold the shift button. You can easily drag that slowly with that point where we stop it. So if you press the shift button, it will come like that, the straight line. So now you can understand? Yeah. Okay. Now again, I want that extrude and the above of this line. So now again, I click this one and coming to the front view and press yes button because of the scale in X direction. I can increase the size of this. So again I extrude. Extrude. Press S in X direction. Again extrude the direction. Oh, yes. Again, we are doing that. Yes, we are coming to the top of that line. Okay? Yes, yes, yes. Here is the sum of the another shape is there. So This is the one way to create the lighthouse. Okay. Now I will show you the another way of creating the lighthouse. This comes to the similar. Yeah. Yes. Now I press yes and scale it up because this is very big. So now I decreasing this scaling X direction, not that it is coming to the Y. Yeah. Now it is little bit circular formation. Yeah, it is fine. I think, yeah, maybe. Okay, now we are creating with the another form of lighthouse. Okay, how can I create the another way in lighthouse cylinder? Yeah, there is an option is there. Go to add, take another cylinder. Yes, but now we are going to easily step by step. So take the sizes of this. Okay, then go to Z direction, press G and with the X direction, but it is not in front view, so going to the front view and press this. Yes, going to the front view and press G with the X direction. Yes, this thing. So now again I extrude this bottom of that point surface. So go to edit, select this surface and press extrude little bit. Yes. Then press scale little bit like this. Yes. Then again press extrude. Yes. Again extrude. Yes. Again scale it. Yes. Again extrude. Yes. Okay. Now we got this type of thing. Okay. Yeah. So now we are going to extrude again the top of that cylinder. So extrude this at here. Okay. Yes. Now we scale this image the later. Okay. Yes. Now we can go to the front view of this. Okay. Yes. Here is that. Then again extrude, scale it. Wait a second. Before the extrude, we do that this is in the cross direction. So press here. Not this thing. You can select this all things and all the stuff back in direction. Alpine. Yes. Some another point. It's not. Yes. Now we select this all. Okay. Now press yes in X direction. And now you can observe this. Yes. Now it comes like this. Okay. Because just pressing shift button and press it and select it. Okay, and some another points we selected. You can observe it. You can remove these things because of these things also scale when you press the scale option. Okay. Yeah. Now I'm pressing Control R, but Control R is not working in this place. Okay. So, okay, fine. Later on, I will arrange this with this cycle. Okay, but now I'm going to the front view again. Yes, it is the front view. Now I select the surface of top, and now I'm again coming to the front view and extrude little bit, and again extrude more and press yes, like this. Yes, perfectly. Yes, perfectly. We got that. Okay, yes, yes, yes. Now we got the lighthouse like this. We're in the middle of the lighthouse page. Okay, it is an easy object to create it, but it will take time, everyone, guys. Continuously watch my every session and every step. I will explain details because of we are all the learners, but I have some experience, so not very much, but I have few experience. I can teach you and I can explain you. Okay, okay. Let's come into that. So now I am in edit mode. So now I select this and pressing Control R. Yes, you can observe that circle is there. Yes, you can press this one, then it is comes like this. Yes, here. Okay, now I pressing S, it is comes like this. Okay, yes. So again, it is in the not a wireframe mode. So now I'm converting to it is in wireframe. So now I can easily understand the edges of the lighthouse. So again, yes, no, I can again select that circle, press yes, and pressing to like this. Oh, wow, it's really good. Now we can see the lighthouse. Okay, yes. Now I'm transferring to the in object mode. Yes, if you observe that there is an alliance in the lighthouse. So now I'm going to the surface. So yes, modify. So going to the subdivision surface. Yes, it is looking really nice and it is very smooth. So now I increase this thing. So it is very smooth. But the lighthouse is not a very smooth object because of the lighthouse is cut edges. Like this is the cut edge, and but this is the smooth edge. So if you want to add the subsurfaces of these things, so we can wait, and I can tell you later. Okay? Yes. So now we are going to that edit mode. I'm pressing this, press shift and select this thing. Because of we are selecting the line. And now we are selecting the point. Pressing shift and select these all things and then select it. Okay? Yes, that. Yes, correct. Perfect. Yes. Again, press shift and select these all things. Okay? Press shift and unselect these things. Yes, guys, we select all things. Perfect. Okay, now I add mod files for basic purposes. Here again comes light gate. So advanced note and quality is increased. Keep boundaries. Control all things. User case. Positive. So now I add the subdivision software at the end of the part. So you can observe this. The white horse is out of the place. So yeah, here is the cannot find also. Yes, how can I do these things? Like lines. So it is very interesting. Yes, we can continue in the next question. Don't worry. Follow this and share your friends and your same group and who are interested into land and Blender. You can easily explain all things in Blender. Okay. Bye bye. See you in the next question. Thank you. Thank you so much.